Africa is a continent of vast opportunities and challenges. From fighting terrorism to boosting development, from securing borders to protecting wildlife, African nations need to be ready for any scenario. And that's why they need the best tools for the job. Unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, are the game changers of modern warfare. They provide unmatched surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike capabilities, while reducing the risks and costs of human pilots. They are the ultimate force multipliers for any military operation. But how can you keep track of the fast-changing UAV market in Africa? How can you find reliable and comprehensive data on the procurement, deployment, and performance of UAVs across the continent? How can you gain a competitive edge in this emerging and lucrative sector? That's where our UAV dataset comes in. It offers you a complete view of the African UAV market from 1980 to 2024, with over 180 equipment entries, 1534 units, and detailed information on suppliers, procurement dates, and more. With our drone dataset, you can access, analyze, and visualize the data you need. Enrich your research with our in-depth granular data. One complete view of defense market data. Level up your decision-making abilities with Defense Insight. Find the next big opportunity for your business. Spot threats before your competitors and be the driving force behind data-driven decisions. Make intelligence-backed decisions collected for you by one of the leading defense media globally. See the full market picture and identify your next opportunities at speed, all in platform. Track your competition and beat them to the wins that matter most, whilst making sure you never miss a renewal again. With a full picture of the market at your fingertips, you'll have more time to focus on building a proposal for your customer that they simply can't say no to. Military Africa is trusted by leading defense media, analysts, and professionals worldwide. It is the ultimate source of intelligence for the African UAV market and the best way to make data-driven decisions that will boost your business and your impact. Don't miss this chance to get access to the most comprehensive and up-to-date data on the African UAV market.